Meaning of facilitate.
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 Facilitate. Facilitate means to make something easier or more convenient to happen. It involves assisting and removing obstacles to make a process flow smoothly. When something is facilitated, it is not necessarily made simpler, but more manageable. The end result of facilitation is that complex tasks are executed with higher efficiency, effectiveness, and quality. Facilitation improves communication, collaboration, and decision-making, leading to better outcomes overall. It enables individuals and organizations to achieve their goals with less effort, time, and resources. Ultimately, facilitation empowers people to realize their full potential and maximize their impact.